Hey guys, welcome back. It is time to whip this face into shape, so I am bringing you another Mally Made makeup tutorial. I'm going to be trying out SHEGLAM's Chromazone collection. The color schemes and the palettes are gorgeous. Let's see how they translate on the eyes. If I don't break the palettes first. I'm going to begin by using their Time Warp palette. I prep my eye with some concealer. I then apply this dark olive green with a blending brush in my crease and buff out the color. With the same brush, I am taking this honey yellow shade and placing it above the olive green. With a tapered brush and this dark cedar shade, I apply it and concentrate the color more in my crease to build depth. Next, with a pencil brush, apply this black plum shimmer into the crease. Now, grab a round flat brush and with a little concealer, pinch the bristles together. This way you can carve out a crisp crease. I'm just sketching out the outline of the crease for now. I am now going to go back with a pencil brush in that dark black plum shade and further define the crease. I'm rebuilding up the color using the last three shades since I didn't put the shadow placement high enough in the beginning. I then clean up the crease using a Q-tip and some micellar water. Make sure you don't skip this step and try to go straight to concealer. You don't want to have any muddy colors. Now clean it up further with some concealer, let it set for a sec so it can thicken up and grab the colors better. Pat out all the brush strokes. Next, you'll see me attempt to try and use the SHEGLAM Multichrome Liquid Eyeshadow in Fool's Gold and totally fail. It swatches so nice on my hand, but that didn't translate onto my eyes at all. It immediately begins to separate and fade once I apply. I'll call it a user error because I applied it over an eye base and the results may be different if I don't use a base next time. I end up using the gold shimmer from the palette. I use a flat brush to apply the shadow to the inner half of my lid and then use my finger to apply the shade more heavily so it's really intense. I was pleasantly surprised with the color payoff. With a wet flat brush, I'm going into this gorgeous green multichrome shadow and applying it to the rest of my lid. I then go and apply more over top with my finger again and blend it into the gold. Oh my goodness guys, look at this all come together. Now using a liquid eyeliner, I am doing a puppy dog liner. And then I tightline with a white eye pencil. We're going for that retro 70s holiday glam. I further define the eye shape using the three shades we use for the crease. While I'm finishing up here, let's really get into the makeup. I am pleasantly surprised. The eyeshadows do take more effort to build up the color, but overall apply well. The shimmers and multichrome shadow are best used with a wet brush or a mixing medium. Quick pause, here I am drawing on triangular lashes to really bring this 70s vibe all together. And then for my brow shape, I'm going for a more relaxed looking Vulcan brow, so I'm filling them in kind of straight and at an angle, and resume. But for how the eyeshadow applies, it is a very good palette for the price point of $13. Just because it's cheap doesn't mean you've got to sleep on it. It's definitely worth trying out. I love when brands don't compromise quality for the price. Okay, so now we're really going to jazz this look up with some rhinestones. I feel like this just enhances the look overall and brings it all together. It just adds that little je ne sais quoi to the whole duochrome look. It just really gives it that sauce. To highlight, I am using a gold shimmer from the palette. Look how pretty that is. I'm now going to add some multichrome highlight to my face using SHEGLAM's Chromazone Lucid highlighter. It has this gorgeous angel pink and green gold shift. I am applying it just above my cheekbones with my finger and building up the intensity of the highlight until I am satisfied. Now I'm outlining my lips with a brown lip liner to prep for what I think will be an amazing lip combo. I'm going to ombre the color towards the center and I'm going to blend it out using my finger. For the next step of this lip, I'm going with SHEGLAM's Multichrome Liquid Eyeshadow in Opal Essence. The color shift I feel is similar to the highlight and will pair well with the brown lip liner. To top it off, I'm just going to add some clear gloss because I love lip gloss. I'm going to go finish my hair and then circle back. Oh my god, who is she? Oh, okay, let's get some low light on this. I can't believe I did these gorgeous retro holiday eyes with makeup from SHEGLAM. They came, they ate, and they left no crumbs, period. I'm literally luminous AF right now. It's giving me Pat McGrath on a budget and I am not mad about it. This beat is flawless. F1. All I'm serving is face. Eat it up, hun, because it is giving everything that it needs to give. So if you have been eyeing this collection for a while now, here is your sign to give it a shot. pocket friendly so you can splurge a little. And it's holidays, so what better time to treat yourself than right now? Just saying. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please tag me if you recreate the look because I would love to see and gas you up. Until next time, Alley Cats.